Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub about to get into the best deals that you can do this week. Now this video, I was debating on whether I wanted to film it today because the Publix system is down. If you coupon on Wednesdays, you have probably seen that a lot of store systems are down today with this Microsoft outage. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys a lot of images of the digital coupons that I'm going to be using today, but we do have some money makers that I did not want to miss out on today. So I decided to come to the store anyway. So hopefully the system actually works when I go to check out. So we gonna see. But you know how I do around here. We don't waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. Now, because the app is down and the website is down, I am not going to be doing a whole lot of buying in today's haul. I am just going to be showing you guys the best deals that you can pick up this week. I am going to do one small transaction, though, with some of the money makers that I definitely wanted to grab today. Now, with my overage from the money makers, I think I'm going to grab this deal on the Bounty. So the Bounty this is the 4 = 8 double rolls. Now, my store has this tagged as well, but that is not the right tag for this 6 = 12. It is just the 4 = 8 double rolls that are included. Now these are normally like $12 a pack, but so $12.49 here, but they're on sale for $7.50. So with the overage that we have from some of the money makers this week, you can use some of that overage to get yourself some Bounty if you need some paper towels. And I'm not sure that we have any coupons for the Bounty, and I'm not even able to check since the site is down. But of course, if we have any coupons, you can add those in. And of course, the Bounty will count for a stocking spree for your tracking there. And just a quick update, the Publix app did come back up as soon as I got home this evening. So the Publix app is back up and running, so I'll be able to add those coupon images throughout this video. Just wanted to give you guys that update. So first deal we're grabbing is the Moneymaker on the Body Armor Flash IV. So these are on sale, buy one get one for $3. So each one will be just $1.50. If you're in a half BOGO state, you can pick up 5. In Florida, you want to pick up 4 of these. They're going to be $1.50 each. But on Ibotta, we're getting back $2 on each one. So that's going to make each one a 50-cent moneymaker. So for my Florida folks, you're going to make $2 when you pick up 4 of these. For everyone else, you'll make $2.50 when you pick up 5. And I already have my cart loaded with my 5. So that is a $2.50 moneymaker to get us started. Now I'm picking these up here at Publix because it is cold and raining here in Atlanta, so I am not driving over to Kroger after I leave here. But if you live in a state that has Kroger, these are priced at $1 at Kroger, so there'll be a better moneymaker at Kroger. You have $5 in profit at Kroger, so do keep that in mind if you live in a state that does have. The Nutri-Grain bars are buy one get one this week for $3.69. If you go on the Kellanova website, we do have 50-cent off printable coupons that'll save you $1 when you pick up 2 boxes. Use 2 of these coupons. That'll make final cost $2.69 for 2 boxes, or $1.35 per box. I already purchased my Jif peanut butter yesterday when we had Fetchtopia still running, but if you did not and you still have an offer on Fetch Rewards for Jif, it is buy one get one this week, so it'll be priced at whatever your price is after your Fetch offer. So just check your account because not all Fetch accounts have the Jif offer. Next moneymaker we have is on the Brutus bone broth. So these are buy one get one this week for $7.49. Pick up 2, and on Ibotta we have these $2 back offers right here that'll bring you down to $3.49 for 2. And then we also have 2 different offers on aisle that you can submit back for. We have a buy one get one offer that would be best for my Florida folks to submit back for, and there's also a separate $4 offer if you signed up for that one. Now with the BOGO offer, I live in a half BOGO state, so I'm pretty sure they would only give me back the half price, which would be $3.75. So I would get $3.75 from aisle when I pick up 2, and I would get back a total of $4 from Ibotta. So that would make these 2 completely free, plus a small moneymaker. Springer Mountain Farm chicken wings are super cheap this week. They're buy one get one for $9.99. You want to pick up 2 bags and then use those $1.50 printable coupons that we have when you sign up for their emails. That'll make final cost $6.99 or $3.49 per bag. If you haven't already grabbed your Baker's Joy from Walmart or Publix, it is not too late. We still have the Swag Bucks deal that I shared a couple weeks ago, maybe a week or two ago, that's good on Swag Bucks inbox dollars, where you'll get $3 back for each one of these that you buy. So these are priced at $3.89 at Publix. So you can pick up two of them. You'll get back $6 from Swag Bucks or inbox dollars, and you'll get back 85 cents from each one on checkout 51. That'll make final cost on these just 4 cents each, right in time for the holidays. This week, the Reezer sides are on sale, buy one, get one, and they are priced as low as $4.99. If you pick up two of the products that are $4.99, you can use this 3 off of 2 printable coupon on their website. That will make final cost for two of these just $1.99 or 99 cents a piece. We have lots of BOGOs on the Siete products this week. The tortilla chips along with the almond flour tortillas are buy one, get one. And for the taco shells, they're on sale 2 for $7. So if you like these products, check your Ibotta app because we have some good rebates. For the tortillas and the taco shells, we have $1.50 back on each one. For the chips, we have $1.25 back on 2. So you can work out a good deal for these products if these are brand new. The Tropicana orange juice is on sale for $4 a piece this week, and we have $1 back on Ibotta. That'll make final cost for your 52-ounce orange juice just $3 each. The Essential Water 6-packs are buy one, get one this week for $13.49. Now, there's a couple different ways that you can do this deal, just depending on how much you want of this and where you live. So if you live in a half BOGO state, you can pick up 3 of these like I am going to do. $13.49 times 3 before the sale price would be $40.47. So we would have enough product as long as you were on the old Publix system to use our 5 off of 30 Essentia digital coupon. Now we're only going to pay half of that after the buy one get one sale. So we'll be at $20.23, and then minus that $5 off of 30 coupon, it'll be $15.23 for 3 of these 6-packs, or about $5 a pack, which is not bad from over $13 regular price. And then if you're signed up for Essential Rewards, you can use your rewards points to print off $1 coupons for these. I did print off a couple $1 coupons. I'm hoping that they will work on these 6-packs, because if they do, when I pick up a total of 3 of them, I'll save an additional $2. So I'm going to use 2 of the coupons. It'll be $13.23 for 3 of the 6-packs. That'll make them just $4.41 a piece. And Essential Rewards is a program that's very similar to like the P&G Rewards, where you upload your receipts after you make Essentia purchases, and they give you points that you can redeem for gift cards or coupons. So the last time that we had an Essentia deal that I did, I uploaded that receipt and I got like 269 points. That was enough to get this $2 in coupons. Now, if you live in Florida or you just want to pick up 2 of these 6-packs, you do have the option of just picking up 2, but that won't quite be $30 before the sale. So you'll also need to pick up 2 of the individual bottles of Essentia, and they are priced as low as $1.99. So if you pick up 2 of the $1.99 of the Hydro Boost, that'll be $30.96 before the sale to get you to that $30 mark. You'll save about $13.49 because of the buy one get one sale, so that'll put you at $17.47. And then minus that $5 coupon, it'll be $12.47 for 2 of these 6-packs and 2 of the individual Hydro Boosts. These Suja shots are buy one, get one for $3.19. Pick up 2, and then you can submit over to Fetch Rewards for 90 cents back on each one. That'll make final cost for 2 of these $1.39 or 69 cents each. The all free and clear dryer sheets are buy one, get one for $5.19. Now, if you live in a state other than Florida, you could just pick up 1 of these. The total for one would be $2.59. In your extra savings flyer, you want to use 1 of these $1 coupons. With these coupons, you either have to take it out of the flyer and take it up to the cashier, or at self-checkout, you have to type in this lookup number for that $1 to come off, and you need to use 1 coupon for every box that you buy. So that'll save you $1, bringing it down to $1.59. We also have a $1 digital coupon if you have that clip, and that'll bring you down to 59 cents. And then on Ibotta, we have a 75-cent rebate with a limit of 1. That'll make this baby a 15-cent moneymaker. If you're in Florida and you need to pick up 2 of these, you want want to use 2 of these $1 coupons. After the $1 digital and the 75 cents from Ibotta, you will end up paying $1.44 for 2 of these. It'll be like 72 cents a piece for each one of them when you pick up 2. We have a lot of strong deals in this personal care section. The first one is on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. These are buy one, get one for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you can use on one, and then on coupons.com we do have $2 printable coupons. So that would make these just 49 cents each. We got a super nice moneymaker on the Old Spice deodorant. So this week, the Old Spice deodorant is buy 2, get $5 off. The cheapest Old Spice is priced at $3.99, so you can pick up 2 of those for $7.98. Use your 3 off of 2 digital coupon that does expire in a couple days, and with the $5 sale, that already makes them completely free because you got $5 in sales savings plus the $3 coupon that is paying for the 2 deodorants. But then you want to submit over to Ibotta for this $4 cashback rebate as well. That's going to make 2 of these completely free plus a $4 moneymaker. Yes, y'all. Another deal that's pretty good is on the Secret deodorant. So these are also included in our buy 2 get 5, and the small ones are priced at $3.59. So I'm also going to pick up 2 of these for $7.18. No coupon for these, but minus that $5 sale, it'll be $2.18 for 2 or $1.09 per Secret. Now these Secret deodorants ended up being a small money maker because for whatever reason, they are attaching to this offer on Ibotta when you upload your receipt. So of course, they will not scan and attach these offer if you scan the product in store. But if you have this offer clipped on your Ibotta account, when you upload your receipt, for whatever reason, it gives you that $3 for this clinical offer. So after I got that $3 back, they were free plus a small moneymaker. So I told you guys I was not picking up much in today's trip, but I did do one transaction so that I could get these items, and I'm super pleased with what I did pick up. So even though the system was still down, my coupons did come off at the register. I had the coupon for the Essentia and the Secret Old Spice coupon that came off as well, and my 2 $1 coupons did work. So I ended up paying out $30 subtotal at the register, and then I got back 17 of those dollars from Ibotta, making everything that I picked up just $13, which is amazing for this basket. We got Bounty, we got Essential, we got some expensive stuff for $13. And I also got some good tracking for Stocking Spree. I think with these items, I'm going to hit my next $50 to get a $10 gift card. So if I get that back, it'll be even cheaper, which is another reason why I did not mind picking up that Bounty, because it always tracks for that $10 gift card with the Stocking Spree program. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.